Prachi Gupta. Welcome to today's COVID bulletin. Used masks and PPE are posing issues related to safe disposal. Working on this issue, scientists of CSIR's Lucknow-based Indian Institute of Toxicological Research, or IITR, and a startup named Maser Technology Private Limited have come up with an equipment named Optimazer. Optimazer is a microwave-based disinfection system which can be used to disinfect used N95 mask and PPE. It is capable of disinfecting the N95 mask and PPE in just 10 minutes, making them reusable. This equipment has 10 times more amplified strength than the normal microwave and does not deteriorate plastic or cloth material. In a single run, as many as 25 PPE can be disinfected in the machine. The equipment is a sustainable solution as it allows reusability, making it resource, environment and pocket friendly. The use of this equipment will decrease the pressure on the manufacturing site. The equipment has been tested at AIIMS Jodhpur and Lucknow-based Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences. CSIR, IITR and Maser Technology Private Limited have also filed for a joint patent of this technology. Let's hear more about this equipment from Professor Alok Dhawan, Director, CSIR, IITR.
This is a co-development. The technology already belongs to them. They had taken it. We had done the application part of it. So definitely it is already in the pipeline that they will be, as soon as we get the reports from the ordnance factory, they will be going for mass scale production of this machine. They already have about 100 to 150 machines installed in various hospitals of the country, including all the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in the country. So we'll also see those machines can be tweaked so that they can be used directly. We are also requesting the company to provide the license to other companies so that they can start producing at mass scale. Not only that, I think even if you look at the sort of product as a whole, because of the less consumption of water and electricity, I think it can be considered as almost a green technology where we talk of a zero waste discharge. Once we get the results from the ordnance factory, we are already talking to them. Is it possible that we can make a smaller version of these machines, which can be put in the domestic use or small establishments which do not require a big machine for PPEs but can disinfect other small items such as your masks maybe, or the ones that we use in our place, like the one made out of cloth.
DRDO's Delhi-based Laboratory Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences, or INMAS, has also developed a disinfection unit named Ultra Swachh that can disinfect PPE, electronic items, fabrics and many more such items. The unit uses ozone technology for disinfection and has various safety features such as emergency shutdown, door interlocks, dual door, delay cycle and leak monitors to ensure safe operations for a longer duration. As ozone is a pollutant, the unit also has a catalytic feature that converts ozone to oxygen and water before releasing the exhaust in the environment. This unit is made by INMAS scientists together with the industrial partner MS Gelcraft Healthcare Private Limited. The unit is also in compliance with the international standards of industrial, occupational, personal and environmental safety. Mumbai-based Bhabha Atomic Research Center, which is affiliated to the Department of Atomic Energy, is working on various products to help the country sail through the COVID crisis. Recently, the institute has come up with the HEPA filter masks. HEPA stands for High Efficiency Particulate Air, and the air filtered by the HEPA filters is devoid of microbes. The face masks produced by the BARC are not only of good quality, but are also expected to be cost-effective. That is all for today. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.